When data is sent over a network, it is broken down into smaller units called packets. These packets make it easier to manage and transfer data efficiently across various devices and networks. A network packet contains three main parts: the header, the body, and the trailer, or sometimes referred to as just the data segment. The header includes vital information such as the source IP address, destination IP address, protocol used, and packet number. This information helps routers and switches direct the packet to its correct destination and reassemble the message in the correct order once all packets arrive. The body or payload is the actual data being transmitted. This could be part of a document, an image, a video segment, or any other type of digital content. The body is where the essential message content resides and is what the receiving application ultimately uses. The trailer may include error-checking information like checksums to ensure that the packet arrived without being corrupted in transit. When a device sends a message, it splits the message into multiple packets. Each packet is sent individually across the network. They may take different routes to the destination, depending on the current network traffic and path availability. At the destination, the receiving device uses the information in each packet's header to reassemble them in the correct order and checks for any errors using the data in the trailer. This method of breaking data into packets and transmitting them over networks is called packet switching. It allows for more efficient use of network resources, supports multiple connections simultaneously, and improves fault tolerance. If a packet is lost or damaged, only that packet needs to be resent, not the entire message. This system is the foundation of how the internet and modern networks operate.